Hello at welcome ulit sa Kusina ni Mrs. O. And for today, we're just cooking something simple. I remember I shared before na we freeze vegetables para hindi mapanis. And there was a time that the broccoli was 75 pesos lang per kilo. 70? Yeah, 70 or 75 pesos. Kumuha kami ng medyo, I think I was able to get 3 kilos. And I wasn't able to cook a lot of it. So, ang ginawa namin is we froze it. So here, from fresh, basically, we didn't even saute it. Frinis ko lang diretso. We just cut it from the flowerets lang ang sinave namin. So therefore, this has been in our freezer for, I guess, a month. Yeah. So I would say it's not good to cook it as a stir-fried vegetables because it came straight from the freezer. It will be a little bit lamog. So it's ideal if make it into a sauce or soup. So that's what we'll be doing today. But it's broccoli cheese soup. Broccoli cheese soup lang siya. Very simple lang siya. So just a little bit of oil. And of course, I'm just gonna put salt. I'm not gonna add any chicken stock or anything. Kasi we're gonna put some cheese. So we're gonna be using quick melt cheese. And then cream, onions, garlic. Kung meron kayong bacon, pero we don't really stock up bacon in our house for health reasons. Yeah. From here, I'm going to put my thyme leaves, my aromatics, yeah. I'm just gonna add some thyme leaves, gonna add some salt at this point, and my white pepper. And I'm going to be adding, and then water. Yan. So, ipapaboil lang natin yan. You have to remember, yung broccoli, freeze namin siya. So, we froze it raw. That's why we need to bring this to a boil to make sure that the broccoli is cooked because if I try to austerize this right now, it's too tough. So, masyadong maraming fibers, no? So, it's not going to work. I did this also with our cauliflower. I just put it in the freezer kasi nga, kaysa masayang lang. Tayo lang natin siya mag-boil. And then later on, when we austerize, I'm gonna add the cheese and I'm going to add a bit of cream. Okay, and now, I need the cream. So, kung kanina, from the freezer, blender ko siya, it will not actually mash kasi hilaw pa. That's the reason why we wanted to mash it first. Siguro yung tanong is anong gagawin if wala tayong blender or immersion blender. I think what you could do is really chop it sobrang liit. And then when you saute it, kakaroon ka ng konting buo-buo but it gets sort of the same effect. Okay. For example, like some might not have fat. Kailangan low-fat diet. You don't have to use cream. What you could do is actually, you could thicken it with rice. It will cook through it and then i-blender mo lang. So you can use that also. Yeah. So I'm just adding that. Then I'm adding our cheese. So we have to make sure mag-melt ang cheese. So i-immersion blender ko siya ulit. Para mas mabilis mag-melt tsaka mag-blend yung cheese. So, I just wanted to share parang a soup recipe na hindi ulam ulit. Kasi diba sometimes you just wanna eat something light for dinner. Hindi naman kailangan yung talagang full production. So, this is something you can actually keep already in the freezer. Tapos, you can just put it in small microwavable. Tapos, kunyari sa gabi, gutom ka, it's something you can heat up. So, I'm just gonna check the salt content. Pahingi pa ako ng cheese. Kulang pa. And it's missing some more cheese. Parang I'm looking for that cheesier taste. And then some pepper. So I'm just gonna add some more cheese. There you go. So I'm just gonna turn off the fire and continue mixing it until mag-melt yung cheese. And that is our broccoli and cheese soup. Very simple. Serve with bread or crackers. Let's plate it. So there. Yan. There you go. And this is our very, very light dinner. very light broccoli cheese soup. And if you don't want to eat it tonight, you can certainly keep it in the freezer and just eat it every time you're hungry. Meron akong leftover, so this is gonna go to the freezer. Here you go, eat with crackers or with bread. It will surely satisfy your light dinner na definition. So here you go, broccoli cheese soup mula sa kusina ni Mrs. O. Thank you for watching and see you soon!